The neuropacs agent is an on-premises software solution designed to operate within your data center, seamlessly integrating with your existing infrastructure while securely interfacing with the neuropacs cloud. It establishes an encrypted connection to transmit medical imaging for analysis, manage orders, retrieve reports, and automatically route them to designated destinations. Through its integrated web portal, the neuropacs agent provides a centralized platform to configure workflows, monitor system activity, and ensure data is transferred efficiently, securely, and in full compliance with healthcare regulations, all without disrupting current operations. Now that you know what the neuropacs agent does, let's see it in action inside our real PACS system. In most hospitals and imaging centers, the PACS is the central system that stores all medical images. PACS can send images to other systems, called DICOM destinations or locations, using the standard medical imaging format DICOM. Here, we've set up the neuropacs agent as one of those destinations. This means the PACS can send imaging directly to the agent, just like it would any other workstation or archive. Routing rules can be configured so that certain types of studies, for example, all diffusion-weighted brain MRIs or all studies from a specific scanner, are sent to the agent automatically. This way, there's no need for a person to manually select and send each case. Now we will send a sample imaging study to the neuropacs agent. As soon as it arrives, the agent will begin processing. Now that we've sent a study to the neuropacs agent, let's switch over to the agent's integrated web portal so you can see what's happening. Let's start with the studies page. This is where the neuropacs agent lists every study it has received. You can see the study we just said. It's marked as unstable, meaning the images have started arriving, but the full dataset isn't available yet. Once all of the required images have been received and verified, the status will change to stable, meaning the study is ready for analysis. After a study is marked as stable, the agent generates a quality control report. This report automatically checks the study to make sure it meets basic requirements for processing. This ensures that only valid, properly prepared imaging data moves forward in the analysis pipeline, reducing errors and wasted processing time. Reports can be reviewed by selecting the QC button in the Actions column. Here's an example of a quality control report generated by the agent. A summary and results of each parameter tested by quality control are displayed and can be manually reviewed if desired. If the study passes all quality control tests, secure upload to the neuropacs cloud begins immediately. Now let's take a look at the results page. This is where the neuropacs agent lists all completed analysis and failure reports returned from cloud processing. As soon as a report is received, it is automatically routed to the pre-configured destination, such as another PACS, electronic health record, electronic data capture, or any other custom application. The report will also appear on this page for manual review and management. Reports can be opened directly in the agent portal using the built-in PDF viewer. For example, here we have an analysis report generated after all processing completed successfully. Alternatively, here's an example of a failure report generated when an issue occurred during cloud processing. The management menu enables reports to be downloaded to the file system in all available formats. Additionally, if automatic routing fails or you wish to send the report to a different destination, you can perform manual report routing directly from this menu at any time. Next, let's take a look at the logs page. This is where the neuropacs agent records all system activity, including study transfers, cloud communications, report routing, and any system events or errors. Logs can be streamed in real time for easy monitoring, or downloaded for auditing, troubleshooting, or compliance documentation. This provides complete transparency into the agent's operations and makes it easy to track exactly what happened, when it happened, and where in the workflow it occurred. Finally, let's open the settings page. This is where system administrators can configure all aspects of the neuropacs agent to fit the needs of their environment. Here, you can set the DICOM parameters, such as the port, host, and AE title, so that the agent can communicate with your PACS and other imaging systems. You can also configure cloud connection settings for secure communication with the neuropacs cloud. You can also manage de-identification rules to ensure patient data is protected before leaving your network, adjust delivery settings to control where reports and notifications are sent, and fine-tune scheduler settings to determine when application tasks should run. In short, this page is the central control hub for tailoring the agent's behavior to your workflow, security requirements, and integration needs. Configurations can also be restored from cloud storage by pressing the Restore button in the navigation bar.